Today, we're looking at the recent viral clips from Unitree and MagicLab. But as product managers, we're not looking at the dance. We're taking a closer look at its key parts, the bill of materials, and the kinematic reliability. Take the Unitree G1 for a PM. The so what here is BOM optimization. Unitree is aggressively optimizing the parts and materials to lower the cost from a $250,000 Pro Tool in laboratory to under $20,000 price point. They've moved to proprietary, mass-producible actuators. The backflip isn't only a performance, it's a demonstration of repeatable reliability at scale. The skating video is another proof of real-time balancing. This is the sim-to-real gap closing. These robots are trained in simulation through reinforcement learning, managing a landing in the real world with its friction and unpredictable surfaces. Proves the Potenial AI control stack is finally production ready. MagicLab's Z1 recently debuted Atomus 360 move. Technically, this is fastest for power density. That one weighs about 40 kilograms. If a robot can generate enough torque to spin its own 40 kilograms mass while maintaining balance, it's proving it can handle high-speed industrial sorting or heavy lifting in a warehouse. It's a kinematic proof of concept. Publicly, these videos bridge the uncanny valley. They make robots approachable. But for the industry, this is an arms race. With over 150 companies in the Chinese ecosystem alone, the Humanoid form factor is officially becoming a commodity platform. So what is the strategic takeaway for product leaders? First, hardware is the new commodity. The body is reaching maturity. If your product models is just a robot that moves, you're already behind. The real value has shifted to the intelligence layer, how that robot reasons and adapts. Second, the DASI is a unit test for ROI. Third, the GTM window is open. Entry barriers have never been lower. The hardware has learned to dance. Now, as product managers, it's our job to give it a job. Are you looking at humanoids for 2027? Let's discuss below. Subscribe and stay connected.